ஏன் கதவு திறந்து இருக்கு? சாத்து. கதவு சாத்து. சரி நான் போய் நான் சாத்து. இது முடிச்சுட்டு கம்ப்யூட்டர் தரேன். Yeah. Sachin, how to again? I have to monitor, give you power, na?
Yes, sir.
Make host kar diya. Then Shamba Shiva. It is not only one person can be made host, perhaps.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Sir, just look at is there any option for co-host? I think there should be a co-host option. You can make co-host more than one person, sir. I think.
Acha. Participants. Yes, we have. In fact, if some of you can come out with some other, I think I messaged you, na, regarding.
Yes, sir. But yes, sir. I replied you, sir, that it is not available on the Play Store, sir, for mobile.
Acha. Mobile, it is not available. I have not seen that. Very good. Pallavi has come, and yeah, Shubham Gupta, you came late today. Now.
Yes, sir. I was. Yes, sir.
You were late. Doesn't matter. What did you prepare for last 2 days? Last 2 days, what did you study?
Sir, yesterday and today I not got the time to prepare because I was out from morning also. Then I came to at evening.
Okay. No, you are not prepared. ऐसा बोल दीजिए. What about document verification? Document. Acha, Sachin, have you loaded the documents? हो गया?
Yes, sir.
What about Samba Shiva? Yeah.
Sir, I have uploaded. Still, they are not verified.
No. Document load कर दिया नहीं किया?
Yes, sir.
Uploaded. Good.
Sir, there is an error while I was trying to upload a document.
Then you take it up with them, that Federal Bank only. I don't know how it is to be sorted out. You have to talk to Pallavi. Did you load the documents properly?
No, sir, there was error. I will try it after this lecture. I will try it once again.
Yeah. Nikhil Wag, did you load the document? Sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I have a mock interview on tomorrow regarding Federal Bank.
Acha, they have given you time.
No, not Federal Bank. My classes organizes the mock interviews. So my interview schedule tomorrow.
Acha.
Mock interview.
Where? Which company? Which bank? Which organization?
Shubham Sir's Academy.
Shubham?
At Aurangabad.
Please attend that also. Attend that and try to come out with whatever questions they are giving you. Very good.
Definitely.
Yeah. Tonge, please tell me, have you loaded the documents properly? Acha. Before forgetting, let me tell you, tomorrow I may not be able to come before before Canada time, 10 o'clock. Canada time 10 means 8:30. So our Zoom meeting will start from 10 only. That is 8:30 p.m. only tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Because this app is needed.
After 8:30 is also okay, sir. 8:30 or after 8:30? Okay.
8:30. From 8:30 we will start.
Okay,
and in the meantime, yeah, that's okay. So anybody would like to continue on the same question that we were discussing? Namely, what was that question? Yeah, 1 minute. How can you be a value addition to our bank? Any other points you would like to say, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. This is Shiva, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Shiva, tell us. Yeah. Then I will. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So, as a banking experiencer, I can give a good service to the customers. With the help of service, I can cross-sell more products and increase the branch targets, branch sales, and the branch book.
Good.
Yes.
You say I have experience in banking. That will be of help for me in Federal Bank, and it will be a value addition for the bank. Good,
Okay, thank you.
good question. Good way of answering it. Now,
Hello,
see,
sir.
yeah, question please.
I am a hardworking person and I can adopt anything new very easily.
Mm.
And that's my quality. Help me in increase. Help me in the Federal Bank, and that's my quality. Also help Federal Bank to achieve any goal.
Mm.
So according to me, this is my value addition to the bank.
Achieve any goal mat bataiye. Achieve the goals. Any
Achha,
goal.
achieve the goal.
Achieve the goals. Jishnu, would you like to add some points? Jishnu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So coming from an engineering background, I know that a bank deals with many industries. They lend loans and accept their deposits. So in my view, from my skills, I can definitely look into these matters and increase the productivity of the bank.
Okay, no problem. Anybody else?
Even I am like to ask, like even I am also coming from an engineering background. So even many of my friends are like having a startup. So I could refer them and increase a bank's target with the help of them.
Business. Yeah, you can improve the business. Good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Nice. Everybody has spoken. Yeah, more or less everybody has spoken. I'm really happy. Yeah.
Sir, I have completed a BSc Agri. So in Rave program last year, I interacting with a different people and have a patience to listen them. Many people approach me to help them and take decision.
I think her daughter or son is giving some. Yeah.
Sir, I will repeat.
Priti, who is giving noise there? Is it your son or daughter?
Son.
Hello.
Hello.
Priti, are you married?
Yes, sir.
Oh, acha.
Sir, my son.
Your son hoga. Yeah, it's very difficult
Yes,
to
sir.
manage. I know. Please.
I will repeat, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. In fact, I would suggest yesterday I posted a video of a lady who has given engineering and she has talked about RRB interview. How nicely has she talked? Please listen to that. An engineering graduate, and she has talked fully in Hindi only, not English, but bilkul confident. She has got a 2-year-old daughter with her. In spite of it, she communicated excellently well. So please watch that video I posted yesterday. I gave that link in our Federal Bank also, I think so. Please see. Yeah, now Preeti start. Preeti.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, start.
Sir, I have completed BSc Agri. So in last year, in Rave program, I will interact with the different people and I have patience to listen them. Many people approach me to take decision as they believe.
Yeah.
So,
so you may be able to guide the customers properly. Preeti,
yes,
what is your husband doing?
sir, finance.
Is into
Businessman.
finance.
He is a businessman.
He is a businessman. Good. You are from which state?
Parbani.
Parbani is in Maharashtra?
Maharashtra.
Oh,
Maharashtra.
I think this is mostly Maharashtra based.
Yes,
Thanks.
sir.
Mainly due to Sachin. Sachin was the person responsible for so many people from Maharashtra.
Yes, sir. He is our HR.
He is.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Give applause for the.
Yeah, Sachin is feeling shy.
No, sir, but it's true. He arranged all those things very well manner.
Excellent.
It's really appreciating.
Yeah, thank you. Acha, now there is one more question, that how your subject will be of relevance to banking. There is no definite answer. You just try to make out some roundabout answers and try to tell how it is suitable for your bank. Now, next question can be, what are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? And when you tell some hobbies, there will be questions relating to that hobbies. We will start with the Shubham Gupta left side first. Please
Yes.
tell me.
Sir, my hobbies are cooking and playing cricket.
Good. Playing cricket. Do you play nowadays also?
When I get time, not continuously, but when I get time.
Very good. What are you good in cooking? Cooking what?
Indian food, sir.
Arey bhai, Indian food means South Indian food, North Indian food.
Now North Indian, sir. North Indian food.
North Indian food. Acha.
Yes.
This answer is also not definite. आपने कुछ चीज को बताना है. I am good in making paneer butter masala. Some specific item batana hai, and they may ask you how do you go about making it. Sometimes you can tell. Samba Shiva,
Okay, sir.
please tell me what is your hobbies?
My hobbies are gardening and watching movies.
Watching movies. Okay. Don't you think watching movies is a waste of time? What advantage do you get by watching movies?
I will not watch movies regularly. When my mood is absent, when I want to refresh, I will watch comedy scenes like that. Sir.
But some people tell me by seeing more movies, they get into problems. But why you say that watching movies is good for refreshing? But this is what they may not ask like this. They can, if they put such difficult questions also, you must manage.
Yes, sir.
Arthamainda?
Most of the times I will watch like message movies only, sir.
Yeah. No, but yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Watching movies. And another one, what did you say? Watching movies and then?
Gardening, sir.
Gardening. Uska बारे में बताइए. Please tell me about that.
Sir, gardening means we family all planted more plants, and our responsibility kept on me only. Regular watering and cleaning and that, and I will change the sand in for a while in a month or that. And my father also support to me. He actually also farmer. He will take care of most of the things.
No, but here you were not specific about the plants you are growing. Simply you told about putting soil, changing soil, or weeding out, or putting manure. These things you can say, that is good. But to make it realistic, you must tell them, I plant, what is that? Lady's finger, then chili, then tomato. Some plant name you have to mention.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I want to ask one question.
Yeah.
Sir, while filling the form, I entered some hobby, but I am not remembering that hobby. So it will be difficult for me when they have my CV. Then
you can download the
you can download that form on your mail ID. You got it.
Achha.
Yes, you can download it.
Okay. Thank you.
Good answer. He has helped me. Prajwal, आप बताइए आपका hobbies क्या है?
Okay, sir, I will try. Reading spiritual books and like innovation, trying to for.
आज आपका ये posture ठीक नहीं है. आप थोड़ा ठीक से बैठिए. Because you know in your Federal Bank interview, it is going to be decided by internet only. Of all these positions, Shubham is good and Mera be not good because of this shirt, and Sachin is good and Sambashiva is also good. So I mean, you must present yourself fully, and background and all you see. Shubham, don't sit like this where something background is seen. Shubham,
okay, sir, I will. Yes, sir.
You have to take care of that. Even in the case of Sachin, here it is okay, but not in a real interview where you keep your door open and all that. Thoda dekh lijiye. These points matter very much important. Yeah, Prajwal, please tell me. Now you are sitting properly. Tell me.
I like to read spiritual books as well as like innovation and trying to find some innovative solutions for the conventional problems as it is. Even I like to make a business strategies and yes, I'm interested in all that.
Spiritual book. Which type of spiritual book do you read?
I read Naneshwari, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Katha Sar, and many more, sir. Even I have gone from not completed, but yes, Quran, Bible, and even in our Hinduism, there are many sects like Warkari, Sampradaya, Swadhyay Parivara, Gayatri Parivara, Radha Swami Satsang, Om Shanti.
No,
I have gone through all these
no, you
and
don't
try to get all.
listen, don't get involved by telling so many things. Tell 2-3 things. Now,
Yes.
tell me about any one thing about which you are more confident. Tell me half a minute, some ideas about it.
Pardon, sir. Sorry.
Tell me about
Pardon. Sorry,
any.
sir. I'm
Tell me about any one of the things which you have been studying briefly.
Sir,
Or
I
Yeah.
2 to 3 times I read Naneshwari. Naneshwari is explanation of Bhagavad Gita, authored by Sant Naneshwar Maharaj in 12th century. He wrote all the 18 adhyaya in his own language, explain everything, each and everything, like from third Karma Yoga.
This is not appealing. Instead, you can as well tell about Bhagavad Gita, few points. ये बोलने से तो उतना अच्छा लगता नहीं है. Anyhow, you prepare on this like question. Okay?
Okay.
You have to prepare.
Yes, sir. This is
Sachin,
Shiva.
Sachin, yeah,
Yes, sir.
Sachin, yeah. You told about your hobbies.
No, sir.
Tell me.
My
I'm coming
hobbies.
in.
My hobbies are writing stories and poems in my free time, sir.
Oh, you write poems also. Marathi poems?
Yes, sir. More Marathi poem only.
Acha, can you read out a poem that you have written recently? This is how the question will go.
Sir, I have written, but I have to read it because I am not remembering the whole poem.
Just right. In such situations, don't hesitate. Try to read 2 lines. They will ask you to stop.
But sir, I read, but it will not be understood by you, sir.
No problem. I have got so many Marathi friends who can help me understand that.
Okay, we also
Yeah.
like Marathi language.
Sachin, please.
Yeah.
Okay. So one of the poems, sir, I am reading only 2 lines. जग बनवलंय त्यांनी, कोणी हसतंय, कोणी रडतंय, कोणी स्वतःसाठी, कोणी दुसऱ्यांसाठी, कोणी उगाच धडपडतंय, कोणी शोध घेतंय त्यांची स्वप्न, कोणी स्वप्नांमध्येच धावतंय, कुणा मिळतो दिशी तिच्याचा ठसा, कुणी काठावरूनच बघतोय.
Good.
Nice.
Very good.
Nice.
Good. I will ask Prajwal to explain this in English.
Sir, many people who are aspiring for their goals, some are just dreaming for it, some are achieving, some are working hard for.
Very good.
Yes.
Nice. It's good. Good one only. So you are a poet. Good. So that's right. Poet and all that. That's okay. Nice. Which newspaper do you read, Sachin?
I read, sir, of Marathi newspaper. It's the Dainik Bhaskar and the Rozgar. Dainik
Acha.
Rozgar.
Which of these two, which one you like very much?
Sir, the both the content in the both the papers is very different because the Dainik Rozgar is dealing with the employment and the Dainik Rozgar with the current news.
Acha. Now tell me about current newspaper that you have read. Usme se 2 or 3 news items you have read recently.
I read only about the eradication of the farm laws and just one thing, sir. I am not remembering right now.
In fact,
ST कर्मचारी.
yesterday after finishing the class, I have posted videos for 2-3 points. One is that say ombudsman bill and also some central government contribution scheme and also KYC norms and all. Whenever I post some brief videos, kindly listen to that and then frame out answers suiting yourself. Okay.
Okay.
So I made it keeping your group in mind only and also for others. Good. Prajwal over. Preeti Tange, please tell me what are your hobbies quickly.
Sir, I have always loved to collect coins. Till date, I have built a collection of more than 2,000 coins.
What? 2,000 what?
2,000 coins. I place them on top of each other and build a structure.
Oh. No, but in your case, you have got a son. Where is the time for hobbies for you? answer me. Where is the time for hobbies for you? Hobbies को समय मिलता है आपको? You have to say firmly, yes sir, milta hai. I will try to make out some time when the child sleeps. I will try to find out time and then do it. You should stick to your point, Preeti. Okay, we will go to Shiva. Shiva, please tell me
Yes,
what
sir.
are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies are meditation, listening music, and cooking, sir.
Excellent. Listening music. Which music do you listen?
I like to listen to slow music, sir.
Slow music. Acha. Very nice.
Melody.
Melody. Oh, can you sing a song for us?
Sir, no.
Huh?
Sir,
You can't. But no, you should not have shyness. First and foremost, a banker should not have shyness because banker has to deal with old people, young people. Banker has to deal with astigas, nastigas, everybody. Banker has to be master who can tolerate every situation. Banker has to arrange for marriage for somebody. सब कुछ करना है. Once you become a manager, many roles you have to play. Yeah.
Yes.
Shiva over. Now Ragul.
Yes, sir. My hobbies are like I'm amateur content writer.
Ragul, where are you? Which cell phone are you using? Jio phone or Airtel?
No, sir. I'm using network only, no, sir. Wi-Fi network only, sir. So now is it audible?
Now it is okay, but when you were talking, it was not coming correctly. Why? Which network are you using? Airtel, BSNL? I know in Chennai it is useless. You have to believe me, my Airtel phone will not show more than 2 lines in Chennai. But in Toronto, it is showing 5 lines. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
Like my hobbies are like I'm an amateur. Like I used to design templates, and I'm an amateur content writer, and also I'm an amateur singer. Like to sing in my free time.
Acha. Well, can you sing for us 2 lines?
Yeah, sure, sir. Okay, is it okay if I sing Tamil song, sir?
No problem. The language is not a barrier for us.
Okay, just a second, sir. இது நல்ல ஒரு பழைய பாட்டு தான் அது. கேக்குதா, sir?
பேசுங்க. பாடுங்க.
Okay. பனி விழும் மலர்வனம் உன் பார்வை ஒரு வரம் இனி வரும் ஒனி வரும் தடுமாறும் கனிமரம். Is it okay, sir?
Good. SP Balasubramaniam song. Good. This has come in.
கொஞ்சம் நல்லா வரல. இப்போ கொஞ்சம் அந்த இது
இல்ல தைரியமா பாடினா போதும் தம்பி, வேற எதுவுமே வேண்டாம். நாங்க என்ன, we are not experts sitting here. Good, you did well. We'll go to Pallavi.
Yes, sir. Sir, during my free time, I like to do creative work. I have also done one short course in Mehndi, Rangoli, also jewelry design. And I used to take classes of all these things. And nowadays I am learning yoga and meditation.
Super. Of these, what is the advantage of doing yoga and meditation?
So mostly it helps me in concentration for my study, focused for it make me more focused in whatever work I'm doing.
Are you aware of some international yoga day and all that?
Yes, sir.
When is it?
Sir,
it
is 21st June 21st is International Yoga Day.
Very good. Excellent. Because on that day, even our Prime Minister also participated and all did.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that way, good. Okay, nice. We'll go to Nikhil.
Sir, one question,
Yes,
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Sambashiva, one question.
Yeah.
Sir, in hobbies we can add in free time I will help to my mother.
You help your mother, you can tell, like say, I help my mother in cooking and also in house maintenance like cleaning things and all that. Even that is a hobby.
Okay.
You can do
Okay, sir.
that. Yeah. Now, Nikhil,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
Yes, sir. My hobbies are I like all kinds of games, and I like acting and dancing as well.
Ah,
Also the trekking.
acha, good. We can't make you dance now. Excellent. You said acting, dancing, and all that. Acting may say you participated in school or college drama.
Your voice is not clear.
Yeah,
Yes.
for me here it
The
is
voice
telling my
is not
internet connection
clear.
is not stable. It says it is
Slow
telling
issue.
1 minute. We can't do anything. Oh, zero. Very few. 520 kbps. I will open the door. Wait a minute.
अरे सरांनी काय मला ऍक्टिंग करायला लावलेली की काय?
काय तुझं तू आता काय चालू आहे बे आज?
डान्स करायला लावला होता रे.
Yeah. It is not here for with me only. There is some problem. Speed is less. Doesn't matter. Now,
No issues.
now it is no. Nikhil, yeah, I can't ask you to dance also. That's right. Very good. Now, yeah. Good. Nikhil is from which city?
I'm from Navi Mumbai.
Navi Mumbai. Tell me something about Navi Mumbai.
Yes, sir. Basically, I'm from Panvel, Navi Mumbai region. So Panvel is the end of the Konkan area, and it starts with the Mumbai region. So in Panvel, so there is the biggest statue of Sai Baba, and it has there are so many the hill stations in Panvel as well, like Kalavantin and Karnala.
Okay, now Aditi's turn comes. Aditi, can you tell us something about your hobbies?
Yes, sir. My hobbies are trekking and watching comedy movies.
Are Baba, trekking. Oh, trekking.
Yes, sir.
Trekking. Which is the longest trekking you have had so far?
Sir, Kalsubai.
How long was it?
Sir, I don't remember exact height, but it is the largest peak in Maharashtra.
Acha?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But when it is the largest peak, you must know the number feet.
Yes.
Thoda to yaad rakhna hai.
Yes, sir. Actually, this is a number, so that's why I forget. I mean, exact number.
Oh, that's right. What is your daddy?
Sir, my daddy is working in private sector.
Acha.
He is
Mummy?
working in Fiat.
Acha,
My mom
mummy?
is housewife. She is
Acha.
housewife.
How many siblings do you have?
Sir, I have one elder brother.
Elder. What is he doing?
Sir, he just completed his B bachelor in engineering. He is mechanical engineer.
He is also trying for a job.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Actually, he is preparing a competitive exam also.
Very good. Excellent. Nice. Then we'll go to Tanmay Rajkarni.
Yes, sir. My hobbies are cooking, traveling, and doing social work.
Acha, 1 minute. Aditi, we get an answer. It is 1,600 meter height.
Yes, sir.
Nikhil Wag has told us. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I remember this.
Yeah. Tanmay, please tell me your hobbies.
My hobbies are cooking, traveling, and doing social work.
Acha, good question. This will take you some advantage. Tell us something about social work.
Yes, sir. I have connected with the NGO called Lok Kalyan Samiti. And Lok Kalyan Samiti is doing various social work, providing free bags and books to the school children, feeding the needy, and also help some self-help group in the society. In COVID period, we have done lots of social work by giving the free ration kits and the medicine to the needy one.
Good. Very good. Good. What is self-help group?
Self-help group is a group of women who want to create an entrepreneur, who make some business, doing some business and earn their money.
Aisa nahi hai. This is not correct definition. Self-help group is a group of 10 to 20 women. They save money, they open bank account, they borrow money from the bank for starting a business, and they conduct a business, and then they refund the money to the bank, repay the money to the bank. Bank in turn encourages them by giving further amounts next time. Could you follow? Tanmay. Okay. Now we'll go to Tanmay. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, self-help
Yes,
group.
sir.
Not that what you told was not correct. Thoda refine karke batana.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Next.
I note down the point refer by you.
Yeah. Next person, Realme 5i. Realme 5i. What is your name? Bataiye. What are your hobbies? Realme chala gaya.
Sir, yeah, sir. I'm there. Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, hear me. Ung per enna sonninga?
Sir, Suraj, sir.
Suraj, sollupa. What
Coimbatore,
are your hobbies? Coimbatore.
Yeah, sir. My hobbies are terrarium and reading newspaper and playing all outdoors activities, sir.
What is the first one? What did you say?
Terrarium.
Terrarium means what?
Sir, terrarium is nothing but it's a mini gardening. For example, growing of plants in a window shed or else a wall somewhere, sir, or hanging those about small plants in windows. Those are called terrarium.
I suggest, in fact, you better tell my hobby is growing plants, because if you say terrarium, the interviewers like me, old people, we cannot follow.
So we can also say kitchen gardening.
Kitchen gardening. If it is gardening, you say gardening. And
okay, sir.
Yeah, you very nice. Excellent. What is your success experience in this? Is it good?
Yeah, sir. For example, I used to do my own manure by collecting egg yolks from my home and neighbor home, and I used to take all the banana peels and that tea powder junk, and I used to grind it everything. I don't think that there's nothing slush and rubbish in these things. I used to take everything, do everything, and just put my manure and water them and keep.
That's good. What's your degree?
Sir, I have completed my BA Economics, sir, and I'm a university rank holder.
Achha.
Completed my studies in Sainik School, Amravati Nagar.
Which year?
For the past 9 years.
No. 9 years. What are you doing?
I completed my schooling in Sainik School, Amravati Nagar.
Oh, Sainik School. That is that military school.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And degree in which college?
Sir, Government Arts and Science, Metropolitan.
Acha. And you were a university topper. Which university?
Yes, sir. Bharatiyar University.
Good. So what is the advantage of knowing economics by bankers? Why bankers should know economics?
The thing is, economics is it does not play hands in each and every aspect, sir. It has a wider angle. For example, if we take in the case of banking, all the statistics, studies, and the planning, forecasting, analytics, everything falls under the economics, sir. The thing is, the many doesn't know the importance of economics and all. But I have, to be frank, I'm an engineer.
Sorry. You're not at all telling anything relevant. Acha, now tell me what is the present GDP and position of GDP in India?
It's around 9 to 10%, sir.
9 to 10%.
And further prediction, yes, sir. 9% to 10%. 9 to 10% is the actual growth or GDP growth rate, sir. And presently we're moving towards it. And further by 2020, we'll be expecting our GDP to grow at 6 to 7%. Because since there was a recession in this 2020, everything has fallen down, and all, but demand is there, but supply is not adequate. The thing is now the demand is low, supply slowly they're increasing the supply side. By this, all the consumers are well settled, happy with this whatever they're getting. And further thing is, then now we'll be having a steady and steady growth, sir. We'll be having more growth in compared to the present.
What is your view regarding the increasing population of India? Is it good for us or not? Hello? Where is that boy? That boy. Go chala gaya? Prajwal Chavan, Realme 5i, you are here.
Yes, sir. Yes, I am here, sir. I am here, sir.
What is the relevance of increasing population in India?
So increasing population, we can't tell that increasing population it has both boon and bad in the Indian economy, sir. To be from my suggest point of view, the population should decline, sir. Because we are already we have over exploited the available resources for us, and further to have balanced growth and the things ultimate aim of our all society. To be frank, UN, everything is we should each and every human in this world should have that same thing. They should get all the necessities, the basic necessities, food and shelter. We should eradicate the poverty. To eradicate the poverty and should fulfill the employment level, the population has to be decreased. Especially in India, in our country.
Sufficient. Again, one more point for you. Like Sachin, you are talking more than what is required. You are talking as if you are talking on a stage for hours together. This is interview. Here, everything has to be to the point. Tell me, what is CRR?
Sir, credit reserve ratio.
Huh?
Credit reserve ratio. It's the minimum
cash reserve ratio.
Cash reserve ratio.
So cash. Sorry. So it's a cash reserve ratio. It is the minimum percentage of cash reserved by a bank in their to be frank, the RBI or federal thing.
No,
it's a minimum amount of cash should be maintained by the banks, sir.
No. The percentage of total deposits the bank must maintain as balance in its current account with Reserve Bank of India is known as cash reserve ratio. Repeat, the percentage of net demand and time liabilities the bank has to maintain as balance in its current account with Reserve Bank of India. If it is not maintaining fully, there will be penalty. For maintaining that, Reserve Bank will not be giving any interest. Could you follow what I said? Yeah, good. Is there anybody who has not spoken on hobbies? Everybody has spoken on hobbies? Anybody has not spoken? Jishnu,
myself, Jishnu.
Chollupa, what is your hobby? Parayu.
Sir, my hobbies is in photography. Whenever I get time, I try photography, even in college days also. And if time allows, occasionally I do travels. And these two things combinedly have given me experience to view the world in a different angle. And
which angle are you seeing now?
Yes, sir. So to be precise, it makes me to think outside the box, and it understands that life has another corner, and avoiding such mistakes, we can be leading a good life.
What is happiness?
So happiness is a state of mind, sir. We can find happiness even in little things also. It is not a tangible with money, and it can be of doing some help, social service, or even to listening a favorite kind of music also.
What happens when you do social service?
So social service, it is one's individual's duty to do a social service, because helping others.
Sorry,
it is going to end, sir.
Sorry, Jishnu. Anytime this may stop because last 1 minute. Tomorrow we are going to meet at Indian Standard Time 8:30. 8:30. Same.
Yes, sir.
You pay same 100 rupees. Then you come and 8:30 is the time. Okay, that will be better.
Okay.
And yeah, so Jishnu, sorry, because time is
No problem, sir.
running short. We will continue with Jishnu tomorrow. Tomorrow you will start with your hobbies. And let me
Yeah,
tell you,
okay.
I am following